Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. Today, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a get ready with me. Basically, just try and have a chit chat. This is basically just easing me into more and more videos to get more confident. If any of you guys have started YouTube and now it's starting to grow and you've got your confidence, leave any tips down below how to get over it. And if it do look that way, it's just because of the mirror there. So I am just going to get straight into the video. I have already done my brows. I'm not too confident just to do that on a video just yet, just because I don't do much editing on my videos. It is just all as it's seen, not much editing. So I'll get straight into the video, stop talking, but give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it. And like I say, don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you. So first of all, I am just going to start off with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation. See, this is in the shade Porcelain, 10 Porcelain at the bottom. So I'm just going to use this on a Tarte brush. This is one of the new Tarte limited edition brushes, and this is just a foundation brush. It's quite dense, so it is really good. I use this most of the time for my foundation. I got this in, this is in a little set. So we'll be using a few of these brushes today. And if you guys do want to know where I got it from, this was actually from QVC. So you can pay it in 3 installments, or you can just pay it as a one-off cost. So if it is still on QVC, I will link it down below because these brushes are amazing. But yeah, start off. Oh, actually, before we do that, I've just got this set primer spray. This is the Luminous Setting Mist, and this is from Maybelline. I'll just spray some of this on. Tie my hair back. And we'll go on with the foundation. It just literally takes 2 minutes to do your foundation with this, and you do only need a tiny bit, so I just pop it on my brush there. And then just dot some. And then just blend that in. And down the neck slightly. It probably is just slightly pale, so it doesn't match my face. My face is quite a pinky tone, as you can see, and I do have quite a lot of freckles. So this is quite a good foundation. If you do have really, really dry skin, I would either recommend putting some oil and a really hydrating moisturiser with it underneath, or just, I wouldn't really recommend this too much, it just dry down quite a lot. I have dry skin, but before I did start the video I put some oil on my face and it does help, but mine is only dry slightly around here, whereas if your whole face is dry, then this probably isn't the best product for yourself. So as you can see, it has evened stuff out. My cheeks are still a little bit pink. You can build it up and make it more full coverage, but I prefer the lighter coverage anyway. So I'm now going to go in with concealer. This is the Instant Anti-Age, the Erase Eye Perfect and Cover Concealer. This is in the shade Light from Maybelline. So I'm just going with this. Oh, always dropping. Let's have a look. Just pop some of this on. This is got quite a yellowy orangey tone to it, so I do just tend to keep this under my eyes, and then I'll just pop a little bit on my chin because I do get some redness. So again, I'll just blend that in with the same brush, and I try to dab as well as swipe on it. It just gives that bit more coverage, but again, I am quite lucky in a sense with under my eye. I don't get that many dark circles. Okay, so as you can see there, it has covered up everything. With that now I'm just going to set that. This is just a brush from Avon. It's just a big fluffy brush. Doesn't actually say what it is. If I can find it on the website, I will link it below. and this is just a normal translucent powder. I can't actually remember where this is from. I think it was just somewhere like Body Care or something like that. It's really cheap and really affordable, and for me it works. So just pop that on my under eye. Like I say, I do get quite dry skin, so I try not to tend to put it all over my face. And again, this foundation's quite matte, you don't need a lot of powder on there as well. And then next we're going to go in with some cream contour. This is the Rimmel Insta Stick in Light. So I do just use the contour side. It has nearly gone, but this has lasted me a very long time. A little bit does go a long way with this. I'm just going to pop some in my cheeks and then around the temple. So it does look like I've put a lot on, but it blends out really, really easy, so not too bad. And again, I'll use the same brush I used before for my foundation, just to blend that in. As you can see, blends in really, really well. And this is very affordable. I think it's only around £4, something like that. And this was just from Superdrug, so easy to pick up and lasts a very long time. So yeah, that's just sculpted me out slightly. As you can see, it's giving me some cheekbones. I don't know if you can see, but this side always looks like it's got a cheekbone on it compared to this side. But yeah, that's that one done. And then I'll just go over that with the Mark powder from Avon. This is the Duo Glow Cheek Contour and Highlighter. Yeah, so this is just from Avon again. Avon is really good. If you've never heard of it, I do recommend trying it. It's good products on there. So I'll just go in with this shade here and then just define that a little bit more and kind of use that as a bronzer as well. On camera it's showing up quite dark in some places, but it's not that dark. It's quite a natural bronze and a natural glow. So for you guys who don't like wearing a lot of makeup, this does feel very lightweight on the skin. So yeah, that's all I do. And just a quick one, I know I do this in a random order, but I just get a little bit of that shade and just pop it in the crease just to give my eye a bit of colour. Just give the lid a little bit of colour, pop it all over. Very easy and simple. So what have you guys been up to? Is any one of you guys starting YouTube or wanting to start out YouTube but haven't got the confidence? That is pretty much where I've started out, and then I've just had people around me saying just do it, because if you're not going to start, then when are you ever going to actually do it? It's better to just get it over and done with, start it and then you're done. But yeah, I'm now going to go in with a highlight. This is actually a Kiko eyeshadow. It says it's in Smart, so whether it's called that I'm not too sure. But yeah, this is the shade. It's a gorgeous shade. I'll try and show you that a bit closer. I don't know if you can see that slightly. It's a very gorgeous shade, and again, I use one of the Tarte brushes. I use this for highlight. Just pop that around. I don't know if you can see that if it's picking up on camera, but it's a very good natural glow when it hits the light. And to be honest, you can just pop this on your lid as well, because it makes a beautiful just lid colour. If you want something else just to pop on your eye, and I'll just pop a little bit in the corners of my eye there. Just add that little bit more to the eye. There we go. And almost done. Now just going to go in with some mascara. This is the Total Temptation Maybelline. It's just got, to be honest, it's quite a standard brush. My eyelashes aren't the best anyway, but it is a really good mascara. Again, it is not that expensive, really affordable, just from, say, Superdrug, your local Superdrug, anything like that. As you can see, a few strokes and it's extended my eyelashes. My eyelashes are really short, so when I see people with really long lashes, I want to know how to get them. If any of you guys have got long lashes, leave a comment down below of how you got them, or if you're just born with them. But I know a lot of people use eyelash serum. I have started to use that, and maybe that is helping. That's why I've noticed the difference with mascaras. But yeah, I'm gonna try that out. And if any of you guys wear like false lashes or eyelash extensions, I've never actually tried that. I'm looking at doing that just to help my lashes, so I don't have to put mascara on. Another thing as well, I did have to stop it there, sorry, so that's why I look a bit different now. I've not got the mascara, but mascara's done. I don't actually put bottom mascara on, I don't like it. But yeah, with eyelash extensions, I think it'll just be easier just to wake up every day and you can just go to work without having to do any makeup. But just to finish the makeup look off, I've just got a lipstick, and this is Au Naturel. This is from Avon. This is a matte lipstick, but on your lips it's very comfortable, feels quite creamy. I have quite dry lips, but this is really good. So yeah, I just use this. As you can see, just glides on easy. So I'll just take this out. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys do like the video. Like I said at the beginning, if you did like it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!